Are you looking for the best rock light in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best rock light that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the OPPULITE RGB rock light kit. No doubt, the OPPULITE did a great job on this rock light. Illumination is top-notch, and it comes with 6 pods that are controlled with a remote. You can also synchronize music with the pods. The lamp operates with high efficiency, with up to 15 colors, and even with high wattage output. The lamps are fixed in a shatterproof aluminum cover made with thick glass for lasting resilience. Also, the lamp lasts for 50,000 hours with a year warranty. The lamp's cover is waterproof and provides illumination with stability underwater. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LEDMIRCY 12-pack white CREE LED rock lights. This rock light features 12 lamps for effective lightings. Counting the brightest rock light in the market, LEDMIRCY 12-pack white CREE LED rock lights won't be missing out. I admire the LED technology, which is durable and lasts longer than other models. Each light comes with 250 lumens illumination. The pods are also well designed with wide angles to brighten an entire area. Installation is relatively easy despite the fact that it has 12 pods. This is because each pod has easy to install mounting brackets. The lenses fit perfectly into the housing, making it resistant to shattering. The 12 lamps are independent of each other. Therefore, you can mount different lamps depending on your vehicle's needs. At number 3, we have the MICTUNING Second-General LED RGB. This rock light is in 2 sizes. The smaller size has 4 pods, and the bigger size has 8 pods. The red-blue-green system allows you to select colors of choice. It features a Bluetooth controller, which can control the light intensity. This rock light is rugged but easy to install. The controller only works when the MICTUNING app is installed on your smartphone. The app's name is RGB Remote, and it allows you to control the intensity, brightness, colors of the light. With the app, you can also create a schedule that will remind you of appointments. This feature makes it exceptional among the others. It also comes with a music mode, where the light changes harmoniously with the rhythm of your music. With that feature, you can't have a boring journey. The design is indeed excellent. It's a good product you should try out. At number 2, we have the MICTUNINGC18 Pod RGB Neon LED light. This rock light allows you to control the lighting beneath your car. It has only 15 color options. Increased brightness with complete rhythm control. The case cover is made of aluminum. Its features like shockproof and a heat dissipation system that prevents overheating made me recommend it. The wiring is insulated in a double manner, enhancing its scratch and water resistance ability. The lighting features kits with 2 separate pairs of mounting pads, thereby giving extra installation options. With the different sets of mounting pads, you can install the lamps and wiring with separate pads. The rock light has options for offload and interior lighting. You can also link an extra pod, which can be controlled through the app. And finally, at number 1, we have the SUNPIE 8 pods RGBW LED rock lights. Talking about durability, the SUNPIE 8-pod RGB LED rock light has it. It comes with a weatherproof coating that protects the light. Also, the glass is shielded with a toughened aluminum casing which protects against rocks and other dangerous elements. One of its features that I admire was its latest technology functionality. You can control the light with an application from your mobile phone. This makes it possible to choose a wide range of colors, thereby giving you customized features. It can be synchronized with music, and you can also operate it on automatic or blinking mode. The top-notch design encloses the light deep inside the casing yet doesn't affect its output. The case is well structured with triangular edging. This gives the light a classy outlook even when not in use. The SUNPIE 8-pod RGB LED rock light is pocket-friendly despite the fantastic features.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.